Keep your spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it there. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Samasta Jana Kalyane Niratam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayam Devam Sadgurum Brahma Vidvaram Sadgurum Brahma Vidvaram. Om Shri Durgayai Namaha. अथ सप्तश्लोकी दुर्गा शिव उवाच देवी त्वं भक्तसुलभे सर्वकार्यविधायिनी कलौ हि कार्यसिद्ध्यर्थमुपायं ब्रूहि यत्नतः देव्युवाच शृणुदेव प्रवक्ष्यामि कलौ सर्वेष्टसाधनं मया तवैव स्नेहेनाप्यम्बास्तुतिः प्रकाश्यते ओम अस्य श्री दुर्गा सप्तश्लोकी स्तोत्र मंत्रस्य नारायण ऋषिः अनुष्टुप् छन्दः श्री महाकाली महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वत्यो देवताः श्री दुर्गा प्रीत्यर्थं सप्तश्लोकी दुर्गा पाठे विनियोगः ओम ज्ञानिनामपि चेतांसि देवी भगवती हि सा बलादाकृष्य मोहाय महामाया प्रयच्छति दुर्गे स्मृता हरसि भीतिमशेषजन्तोः स्वस्थैः स्मृता मतिमतीव शुभं ददासि दारिद्र्यदुःखभयहारिणि का त्वदन्या सर्वोपकारकरणाय सदार्द्रचित्ता सर्वमङ्गलमङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणि नमोस्तुते शरणागत दीनार्थ परित्राण परायणे सर्वस्यार्ति हरे देवी नारायणि नमोस्तुते सर्वस्वरूपे सर्वेशे सर्वशक्ति समन्विते भयेभ्यस्त्राहि नो देवी दुर्गे देवी नमोस्तुते रोगानशेषानपहंसि तुष्टा हृष्टा तु कामान् सकलानभीष्टान् त्वामाश्रितानान्न विपन्नराणां त्वामाश्रिताढ्याश्रयतां प्रयान्ते सर्वा बाधा प्रशमनं त्रैलोक्यस्याखिलेश्वरी एवमेव त्वया कार्यमस्मद्वैरिविनाशनम् इति श्री सप्तश्लोकी दुर्गा संपूर्णा. Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Devi session. We continue our journey. It's an ambitious plan to finish 21 verses. Normally we finish only 10 or 14, but let's see how we can do. So in order to accomplish, even if you are in a group, from the group we will take one person, one verse, and then shift the group accordingly. So we'll see if we can complete that. So let's start with our little ones, Shreyas, Shrivas, Shardaji. So one person only at a time. So we will start first with Shreyas. Om Shri Durgayai Namaha.
Om Shri Durgayai Namaha.
Shri Durga Shtottara Shatanama Stotram.
Shri Durga could you repeat it?
Durga Shtottara. Shri Durga Shtottara Shatanama Stotram.
Shri Durga Shtottara स्तोत्रम्
ईश्वर उवाच
ईश्वर उवाच
शतनाम प्रवक्ष्यामि शृणुष्व कमलानने
शतनाम प्रवक्ष्यामि शृणुष्व कमलानने
शतनाम प्रवक्ष्यामि
ओ
द्वित्वा इप sound has to come शतनाम प्रवक्ष्यामि वक्ष्यामि नो वक्ष्यामि शृणुष्व कमलानने
शतनाम प्रवक्ष्यामि शृणुष्व कमलानने
very good यस्य प्रसाद so again यस्य प्रसाद द्वित्वा यस्य प्रसाद मात्रेण दुर्गा प्रीता भवेत् सती
यस्य प्रसादमात्रेण दुर्गा प्रीता भवेत् भवेत् भवेत्
भवेत् is not there ta is halanta भवेत् सती
भवेत् सती
good ईश्वर उवाच start
ईश्वर उवाच शतनाम प्रवक्ष्यामि शृणुष्व कमलानने यस्य प्रसादमात्रेण दुर्गा प्रीता भवेत् सती
excellent bless you ईश्वर उवाच शतनाम प्रवक्ष्यामि शृणुष्व कमलानने यस्य प्रसाद मात्रेण दुर्गा प्रीता भवेत् सती श्रीवास ओम सती साध्वी भव प्रीता भवानी भवमोचनी
ओम सती साध्वी भव प्रीता
भवानी
भवमोचनी
very good you will repeat again with bhava prita like that it should come over there start om sati
साध्वी भव प्रीता भवानी भवमोचनी
आर्या दुर्गा जया चाद्या त्रिनेत्रा आर्या दुर्गा जया चाद्या त्रिनेत्रा शूलधारिणी
आर्या दुर्गा जया
चाद्या त्रिनेत्रा
शूलधारिणी
very good read the whole verse
ओम सती साध्वी भव प्रीता भवानी भवमोचनी आर्या दुर्गा जया चाद्या त्रिनेत्रा शूलधारिणी
excellent shooladharini very good om sati sadhvi bhava prita bhavani bhavamochani आर्या दुर्गा जया चाद्या त्रिनेत्रा शूलधारिणी so 3 is short ne is dirgha because a I o au these sounds are permanently dirgha so trinetra so 3 you have to say short and netra you have to hold like that shu you have to go dirgha dhari ri is short ni dirgha so you have to observe how the toning is coming to keep the Hrasva and the Dirgha of the alphabet. So this is all for the newcomers to pay attention where the Hrasva Dirgha sounds and the sound modulation goes accordingly. Okay, Shantaji. Pinakadharini Chitra Chanda Ghanta Mahatapaha.
पिनाकधारिणी चित्रा चंड घंटा महातपाः
मनो बुद्धिरहंकारा चित्तरूपा चिताचितिः
मनो बुद्धिरहंकारा चित्तरूपा चिताचितिः
चितिः हस्व
चिताचितिः
हाँ, correct.
पिनाकधारिणी चित्रा चण्डघण्टा महातपाः मनोबुद्धिरहङ्कारा चित्तरूपा चिताचितिः
चित्तरूपा.
चित्तरूपा चिताचितिः
Very good. पिनाकधारिणी चित्रा चण्डघण्टा महातपाः मनोबुद्धिरहङ्कारा चित्तरूपा चिताचितिः. Any more kids are there? I don't see anyone today. All done? No Shrikar, no Sharanya, right? Sahana is also not there. Fine. Taraji, please come over. Sarva mantramayi satta satyananda swarupini. Taraji. Taraji. Hari Om Taraji. Okay, probably Taraji can get ready. Okay. Are you there? Sorry. Okay. I'll come back to Taraji when she's ready. Vidyaji, you can come over. Sarva mantramayi satta satyananda swarupini.
सर्वमन्त्रमयी सत्ता सत्यानन्दस्वरूपिणी
अनन्ता भाविनी भाव्या भव्या भव्या सदा गतिः.
अनन्ता भाविनी भव्या 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 सदा गतिः सर्वमन्त्रमयी सत्ता सत्यानन्दस्वरूपिणी अनन्ता भाविनी भाव्या भव्या भव्या सदा गतिः.
Very good. Sarva mantramai satta satyananda swarupini ananta bhavini bhavya 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 sada gatihi. Those adults who want to volunteer, please keep your hands raised. I will take by turns. Anita ji. Shambhavi deva mata cha chinta ratna priya sada.
शाम्भवी देव माता च चिन्ता रत्नप्रिया सदा
रत्नप्रिया सदा.
रत्नप्रिया सदा
Ratnapriya sada.
रत्नप्रिया सदा.
Chant the whole line.
Okay. शाम्भवी देव माता च चिन्ता रत्नप्रिया सदा.
Correct. So whenever the conjunct comes, the previous alphabet will have a stress. So when the pa is coming, ip sound will come. When va will come, va sound will come. So like that, various alphabets will have various stresses before it comes. So we have to remember. So this is called dvitva. Whenever a conjunct comes, previous alphabet meets a pressure to enhance that pronunciation. Sarva vidya daksha kanya daksha yajna vinashini.
सर्वविद्या दक्ष कन्या दक्ष यज्ञ विनाशिनी. शाम्भवी देव माता च चिन्ता रत्नप्रिया सदा. सर्वविद्या दक्ष कन्या दक्ष यज्ञ विनाशिनी.
Very good. Shambhavi deva mata cha chinta ratna priya sada. Sarva vidya daksha kanya daksha yajna vinashini. One. Aparnaneka varna cha patala patalavati.
अपर्णानेक वर्णा च पाटला पाटलावती
पट्टांबर परिधाना कलमंजीर रंजिनी.
पट्टांबर परिधाना कलमंजीर रंजिनी.
Very good.
कलमंजीर रंजिनी. अपर्णानेक वर्णा च पाटला पाटलावती. पट्टांबर
आ की मात्रा.
पट्टांबर परिधान कलमंजीर रंजिनी.
Aparnane, sorry, you have to go for the full one.
अपर्णानेकवर्णा च पाटला पाटलावती पट्टांबरपरिधाना कलमंजीररञ्जिनी.
Very good. Aparnane kavarna cha patala patalavati patambara paridhana kalamanjira ranjini. Lata Karthik. Ameya Vikrama Krura Sundari Sura Sundari.
अमेय विक्रमा क्रूरा सुंदरी सुर सुंदरी.
Vana Durga cha Matangi Matanga Muni Pujita.
वन दुर्गा च मातंगी मतंग मुनि पूजिता. अमेय विक्रमा क्रूरा सुंदरी सुर सुंदरी. वन दुर्गा च मातंगी मतंग मुनि पूजिता.
Very good. Ameya Vikrama Krura Sundari Sura Sundari Vana Durga cha Matangi Matanga Muni Pujita. Dharini. Brahmi Maheshwari Chaindri Kaumari Vaishnavi Tatha.
ब्राह्मी माहेश्वरी चैन्द्री कौमारी वैष्णवी तथा
Chamunda Chaiva Varahi Lakshmiश्च Purushakritihi.
चामुण्डा चैव वाराही लक्ष्मीश्च पुरुषाकृतिः ब्राह्मी माहेश्वरी चैन्द्री कौमारी वैष्णवी तथा चामुण्डा चैव वाराही लक्ष्मीश्च पुरुषाकृतिः.
Very good. So for those who are new, that first word Brahmi. So Brahma. Brahmana. So the pronunciation is first ma and then the ha. Brahmi and not Brahmi. I hope you are getting the difference. Brahma and not Brahma. So first is the ma pronunciation and ending is the ha pronunciation for all the newcomers. So for Brahmi. Then whenever that dirgha comes, you have to hold Brahmi, Maheshwari, Chaindri, Kaumari, Vaishnavi. So these are all dirgha sounds. So you have to hold at the end. You cannot say Vaishnavi, Chaindri, Kaumari. You cannot finish off that chanting. That holding for one extra fraction of second is needed. This is one part. Third, Lakshmishcha. So many people, when the half sh and a ch comes, many people don't say sh over there. They say sa over there. So please note it at the beginning itself. Sh when it comes, you have to say half sh. Lakshmishcha, not Lakshmischa, not Lakshmis. Are you getting the difference? Not miss, mish, Lakshmishcha. So now this is for Lakshmi, but each time there will be different alphabets coming. Sh pronunciation, you have to say sh. Sh should not become sa. And the last word, Purushakritihi, not Purusha, Purushakriti. It's not Purusha, 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 Purushakritihi. So please remember these few points, mark it wherever it is possible so that you are clearing your mouth. It won't happen immediately, but eventually. So keep the thought in mind that these changes have to be brought in. Brahmi Maheshwari Chaindri Kaumari Vaishnavi Tatha Chamunda Chaiva Varahi Lakshmishcha Purushakritihi. Lakshmi Venpati se Vimalotkarshini Jnana Kriya Nitya cha Buddhida. Lakshmi ji.
Is it me? Sorry.
Okay, you can come in, no problem. Because I was saying Lakshmi ji, but Rashmi ji doesn't matter. Come. Vimalotkarshini jnana kriya nitya cha buddhida.
विमलोत्कर्षिणी ज्ञाना क्रिया नित्या च बहु बुद्धिदा.
Again, buddhida didn't have.
बुद्धिदा.
Correct. So say the whole line. Yes, sorry.
विमलोत्कर्षिणी
So Vimlo is happening, no, not Vimlo. Vimalo.
विमलोत्कर्षिणी ज्ञाना क्रिया नित्या च बुद्धिदा.
Very good. Bahula prema sarva vahana.
बहुला प्रेमा सर्ववाहना.
So bahula prema, but bahula prema. So ip sound.
बहुला प्रेमा सर्ववाहना.
Correct.
विमलोत्कर्षणी ज्ञान क्रिया नित्या च बुद्धिदा. बहुला प्रेमा सर्ववाहना.
Two mistakes, huh? Vimolotkar shrini and not kar shani, and bahula prema, lap prema, lap ip bahula prema, like that you have to stress. So say the whole verse again.
बहुला प्रेमा सर्ववाहना.
Okay, and Vimalotkar shrini and not shani.
विमलोत्कर्षिणी.
Okay, again. Vimlo should not happen. Vimlo is not there. Vimalo. Ma should come full.
विमलोत्कर्षिणी ज्ञान क्रिया नित्या च बुद्धिदा. बहुला प्रेमा सर्ववाहना.
Fantastic. Perfect. Vimalotkarshini jnana kriya nitya cha buddhida. Bahula prema sarva vahana. Radha Krishnan ji. Nishumbha shumbha hanani mahishasura mardini.
निशुम्भ शुम्भ हननी महिषासुरमर्दिनी.
Madhukaitavahantri cha chandamunda vinashini.
मधुकैटभहन्त्री च चण्डमुण्ड विनाशिनी. निशुम्भ शुम्भ हननी महिषासुरमर्दिनी. मधुकैटभहन्त्री च चण्डमुण्ड विनाशिनी.
Can you say the second line again? I lost you in between.
मधुकैटभहन्त्री च चण्डमुण्ड विनाशिनी.
Very good. Nishumbha shumbha hanani mahishasura mardini. Madhukaitavahantri cha chandamunda vinashini. Okay, so over here for the newcomers, the bha sound. Bha is a mahaprana. It's not nishumbha shumbha. Nishumbha shumbha hanani. So bha stress has to come out. Then mahisha, again the sha has come. Madhu, dha, and not madhu. Madhu, dha mahaprana. Kaita bha, ta alpa prana, bha again mahaprana. So these sounds you all have to remember to produce exactly the way it is being typed over there. Okay. Manikanthanji. Sarvasura vinasha cha sarvadanava ghatini.
Sorry. Sarvasura vinasha cha sarvadhanava ghatini.
Sarvadanava ghatini.
Sarvadhanava ghatini.
No. Da is alpa prana, gha is a mahaprana. Okay. Sarvadanava and not dhanava. Danava and then ghatini and not gatini.
Sarvasura vinasha cha sarvadhanavi vaghatini.
Again.
Sarvasura vinasha cha sarvadhanava ghatini.
Very good. Sarva shastramayi satya sarvastra dharini tatha.
सर्वशास्त्रमयी सत्या सर्वार्थधारिणी तथा सर्वासुरविनाशा च सर्वदानवघातिनी सर्वशास्त्रमयी
Not sarva.
सर्व सर्वशास्त्रमयी सत्या सर्वास्त्रधारिणी तथा
Very good.
सर्वा can I say one more time?
Yes, please.
सर्वासुरविनाशा च सर्वदानवघातिनी सर्वशास्त्रमयी सत्या सर्वास्त्रधारिणी तथा
Excellent. Perfect. सर्वासुर विनाशा च सर्वदानवघातिनी सर्वशास्त्रमयी सत्या सर्वास्त्रधारिणी तथा.
Yeah.
Renuka ji is there?
Yeah, but we could not find the English
was-
script.
So then probably it is okay. But you would be able to read Devanagari?
Actually, I'm not
No.
able to read the Sanskrit. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Doesn't matter. Fine.
Sorry, yeah.
Doesn't matter. Nikhila ji, I'll just find out what is in the English. If it is missed, I'm so sorry, because then most of them not having the. So
Even Taraji also
Okay.
messaged that she could not find.
okay, I'm seeing all the messages with. Okay, I'm so sorry. Could somebody Google for this names in English form? Durgashtottara Shatanama Stotra. And if you get it, then post the link in the chat box. Durgashtottara, just Google. And if you get that, please post in the chat box so that others. I'm so sorry if I have missed this. Nikhila ji. Aneka shastra hasta cha anekastrasya dharini.
अनेकशस्त्रहस्ता च अनेकास्त्रस्य धारिणी
Again.
अनेकशस्त्रहस्ता च अनेकास्त्रस्य धारिणी
Perfect. Kumari chaika kanya cha kaishori yuvati yatihi.
कुमारी चैककन्या च कौशोरी युवती
Kauno. Kai.
सॉरी कुमारी चैककन्या च कैशोरी युवती यतिः.
Try again.
Yes. कुमारी चैककन्या च कैशोरी युवती यतिः.
Very good.
अनेकशस्त्रहस्ता च अनेकशस्त्रहस्ता च अनेकास्त्रस्य धारिणी कुमारी चैककन्या च कैशोरी युवती यतिः.
Very good. Aneka shastra hasta cha anekastrasya dharini kumari chaika kanya cha kaishori yuvati yatihi. Shri Hari ji. Apraudha chaiva praudha cha vruddha mata balaprada. So many dvitvas over here.
अप्रौढा चैव प्रौढा च वृद्धमाता बलप्रदा
Mahodari muktakeshi ghora rupa mahabala.
महोदरी मुक्तकेशी घोररूपा महाबला अप्रौढा चैव प्रौढा च वृद्धमाता बलप्रदा महोदरी मुक्तकेशी घोररूपा महाबला.
Apraudha chaiva praudha cha vruddha mata balaprada mahodari muktakeshi ghora rupa mahabala. Sajeev ji. Agnijwala raudramukhi kalaratris tapasvini.
अग्निज्वाला रौद्रमुखी कालरात्रिस्तपस्विनी कालरात्रिस्तपस्विनी
नारायणी भद्रकाली विष्णुमाया जलोदरी
नारायणी भद्रकाली विष्णुमाया जलोदरी अग्निज्वाला रौद्रमुखी कालरात्रिस्तपस्विनी नारायणी भद्रकाली विष्णुमाया जलोदरी.
Perfect. Agnijwala Raudramukhi Kalatristhapasvini Narayani Bhadrakali Vishnumaya Jalodari. Radhika ji. Shivaduti Karali cha Ananta Parameshwari.
शिवदूती कराली च अनंता परमेश्वरी.
Again.
शिवदूती कराली च अनंता परमेश्वरी.
Correct. कात्यायनी च सावित्री प्रत्यक्षा ब्रह्मवादिनी. So प्रत्यक्षा ब्रह्मवादिनी.
कात्यायनी च सावित्री प्रत्यक्षा ब्रह्मवादिनी. शिवदूती कराली च अनंता परमेश्वरी. कात्यायनी च सावित्री प्रत्यक्षा ब्रह्मवादिनी.
First line say again.
शिवदूती कराली च अनंता
So
परमेश्वरी.
Karali cha is happening. Karali cha.
शिवदूती कराली च अनंता परमेश्वरी. कात्यायनी च सावित्री प्रत्यक्षा ब्रह्मवादिनी.
Very good. So Pratyaksha Brahma over there is a stress. Shivaduti Karali cha Ananta Parameshwari Katyayani cha Savitri Pratyaksha Brahmavadini. Pushpaji. Yaidam Prapathin Nityam Durga Nama Shatashtakam.
Yaidam. Is it me?
Yes, Pushpaji.
Yaidam
Okay, Sushma ji, I'll take you later. Pushpaji, sorry. Yes, go ahead.
Yaidam prapathe nityam Durga nama shatashtakam.
Nasadhyam vidyate devi trishu lokeshu parvati.
नासाध्यं विद्यते देवी त्रिषु लोकेषु पार्वती. यइदं प्रपठे नित्यं दुर्गनाम शताष्टकम्.
Again, 1 minute. Yaidam prapathe nityam durga nama shatashtakam.
यइदं प्रपठे नित्यं दुर्गा प्रपठे नित्यं.
Let there be pressure. Let the pressure be on the tha. One, it is Mahaprana, and the next is a conjunct of double na. Prapathe nityam.
यइदं प्रपठे नित्यं दुर्गा नाम शताष्टकम्. नासन्ध्यं विद्यते देवी.
नासाध्यं सा.
Sorry. नासाध्यं विद्यते देवी त्रिषु लोकेषु पार्वती.
Second again.
Shall I say the whole verse again?
Second line first you say.
नासाध्यं विद्यते देवी त्रिषु
Okay, sadhya dha Mahaprana. But in the first one you had said vidyate, so I wanted to hear that. But this time vidyate became correct, but sadhya's dha was not there. Okay, go ahead.
नासाध्यं विद्यते देवी
vidyate the. That vidyate is getting tendency of going into Mahaprana.
There is Mahaprana in my book as well.
So it is no vidyate. It is the and a year. It won't be vidya.
Okay. नासाध्यं विद्यते देवी त्रिषु लोकेषु पार्वती.
Whole verse again.
यइदं प्रपठे नित्यं यइदं प्रपठे नित्यं दुर्गा नाम शताष्टकम्. नासाध्यं विद्यते देवी त्रिषु लोकेषु पार्वती.
Good. So now for the newcomers. So we are saying here idam prapathet. So pa is, I hope you all have watched the tutorial given yesterday. Pa is in which varga? Pa is in pa varga only. Pa, pa, ba, bha, ma. So ma is the anunasik, the fifth alphabet in the pa varga. So the anuswara remains ma. Idam prapathet. The in Durga, what happens? The is in which varga? The is in ta varga. Ta, tha, the, dha, na. So the is in ta varga, where the fifth alphabet is na. So the previous anuswara is going to become na. Ya idam prapathen nityan Durga nama shatashtakam. Okay. Now come to the second line. Vidyate. Whenever va is going to be there, the previous anuswara has to become wa. Na sadhyam vidyate. It's not sadhyam. Sadhyam vidyate devi. And then trishu. Sh. Loke. Shu. Sh. We have to remember all these things. Yaidam prapathen nityam Durga nama shatashtakam. Nasadhyam vidyate devi trishu lokeshu parvati. I'm just seeing Sharanya join. So I'm going to take you first. Your hand is in the end, but kids first. Come, Sharanya. Dhanan dhanyam sutanjayam hayau hastinameva cha.
Dhanam dhanyam sutam jayam.
Hold. Anuswara. Dhanan dhanyam sutam jayam hayau hastinameva cha. First one na, second one wa, third one nya, fourth one wa, fifth one wa.
Dhanan dhanyam sutam jayam hayau hastinameva cha.
Hastina is hasva.
Hastinameva cha.
Repeat.
Dhanan dhanyam sutam jayam hayau hastinameva cha.
Hastina is happening, right? Hastinameva cha.
Hastinameva cha.
Chaturvargan na. Chaturvargan tatha chante labhen muktin cha shashvatim.
Chaturvargam tatha chante labhen muktin cha shashvatim. Chaturvargan tatha chante labhen muktin cha shashvatim. Dhanan dhanyam sutam jayam hayau hastinameva cha. Chaturvargam tatha chante labhen muktin cha shashvatim. Dhanan dhanyam sutam jayam hayau hastinameva cha. Chaturvargan tatha chante labhen muktin cha shashvatim.
When you say Chaturvargas tu, let the tongue be light. Tongue is very heavy there, which is giving it like a effect of a dirgha. Chaturvargam. So keep the tu because it's also alpa prana and it's also rasva. Just remember that. Dhanan dhanyam sutanjayam hayau hastinameva cha. Chaturvargan tatha chante labhen muktin cha shashvatim. Dipali ji.
I lost sound.
Darshaji, you're on mute.
I'm sorry. Okay. Kumarim pujayitva tu dhyatva devim sureshwari.
Kumarim pujayitva tu dhyatva devim sureshwarim.
Devim sureshwarim. Devim sureshwarim.
May I say it again?
Yes, please.
Kumarim pujayitva tu dhyatva devim sureshwarim.
Very good. Pujayet paraya bhaktya pathen nama shatashtakam.
Pujayet paraya bhaktya pathen nama shatashtakam. कुमारीं पूजयित्वा तु ध्यात्वा देव्यूं सुरेश्वरीं पूजयेत् परया भक्त्या पठेन्नाम शताष्टकम्.
Good. कुमारीं पूजयित्वा तु ध्यात्वा देवीं सुरेश्वरीं पूजयेत् परया भक्त्या पठेन्नाम शताष्टकम्. Okay, Shushma ji, it's your turn. Sorry, please come. Tasya siddhirbhavet devi sarvais suravarairapi.
तस्य सिद्धिर्भवेत् देवी सर्वे सुरवरै परि.
Suravarairapi.
तस्य सिद्धिर्भवेत् देवी सर्वे सुरवरैरपि.
Sarvais suravarai. Sarvais vai.
सर्वै सर्वैस् सुरवरैरपि.
Sarvais visarga sa. Sura. Ra should also be full. Suravarairapi.
सर्वैस् सुरवरैरपि.
Very good. Say again.
तस्य सिद्धिर्भवेत् देवी सर्वैः सुरवरैरपि.
So now Devi is getting dirgha. Devi, we should be short. Tasya siddhir bhavet Devi sarvai suravarairapi.
तस्य सिद्धिर्भवेत् देवी सर्वैः सुरवरैरपि.
The Devi, it should become Devi.
तस्य सिद्धिर्भवेत् देवी सर्वैः सुरवरैरपि.
Survarair is happening. Suravarair.
सुरवरैरपि.
Rajano dasatayanti. So whenever ya is going to come, previous anuswara will become ya. So dasatayanti rajya shriyam avapnuyat.
राजानो दासतां राज्यश्रियमवाप्नुयात्. तस्य सिद्धिर्भवेत् देवी सर्वैः सुरवरैरपि. राजानो दासतां राज्यश्रियमवाप्नुयात्.
Very good. Tasya siddhir bhavet Devi sarvai suravarairapi. So what happens if you're not getting Devi short? That they you hold, so we can be short. Devi sarvai, we can do like that. So they, you pause one extra. Then it will become we can finish off fast and go to sa. Tasya siddhir bhavet Devi sarvai suravarairapi. Rajano dasatayanti rajya shriyam avapnuyat. Beena ji. So now the tune changes over here. Gorochana laktaka kumkumena.
Gorochana laktaka kumkumena.
Laktaka kumkumena.
Could you repeat it?
Yeah. Gorochana laktaka kumkumena.
Gorochana
laktaka.
Latkaka. Is that right? Okay. Okay.
Laktaka.
Okay. Laktaka.
How we say rakta? Ka half ta. Like that.
Okay.
Lakta. And then lakta ka. And then one more ka. Laktaka.
Okay. Gorochana laktaka kumkumena.
So alaktaka it is. Gorochana alaktaka kumkumena. Sindhu. Go ahead. Yes, say.
Gorochana laktaka kumkumena.
Sindhura karpura madhutrayena.
Sindhura karpura madhutrayena.
Go ahead.
Sindhura karpura madhutrayena.
Vilikhya yantram vidhina vidhidnyaha. So vidhidnyo will become vidhidnyaha because I'm pausing over here. If I'm not going to pause, then we can continue. But because we are breaking the pada, we are saying vidhidnyaha.
विलिख्य यन्त्रौ विधिना विधीयः
विधिज्ञः
विलिख्य यन्त्रौ विधिना विधिज्ञः
भवेत् सदा धारयते पुरारिः
भवेत् सदा धारयते पुरारिः
गोरोचनालक्तककुङ्कुमेन सिन्दूरकर्पूरमधुत्रयेण
गोरोचनालक्तककुङ्कुमेन सिन्दूरकर्पूरमधुत्रयेण
विलिख्य यन्त्रं विधिना विधिज्ञः भवेत् सदा धारयते पुरारिः
विलिख्य यन्त्रौ विधिना विधिज्ञः भवेत् सदा धारयते पुरारिः
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 ह्रस्व
गोरोचनालक्तककुङ्कुमेन मधुत्रयेण विलिख्य यन्त्रौ विधिना विधिज्ञः भवेत् सदा धारयते पुरारिः
वेरी गुड गोरोचनालक्तककुङ्कुमेन सिन्दूरकर्पूरमधुत्रयेण विलिख्य यन्त्रं विधिना विधिज्ञः भवेत् सदा धारयते पुरारिः. Wow, what a record time this is. We are finishing all 21 verses, which has never happened in so long time. Josna ji, please come in. भौमावास्या निशामग्रे चन्द्रे शतभिषाङ्गते
भौमावास्या निशामग्रे चन्द्रे शतभिषाङ्गते
विलिख्य प्रपठेत् स्तोत्रं स भवेत् सम्पदां पदम्
विलिख्य प्रपठेत् स्तोत्रं स भवेत् सम्पदां पदम्
विलिख्य प्रपठेत् स्तोत्रं स भवेत् स्तोत्रं makara will happen over there.
विलिख्य प्रपठेत् स्तोत्रं
स्तोत्रं
विलिख्य प्रपठेत् स्तोत्रं स भवेत् सम्पदां पदम्
इति श्री विश्वसारतन्त्रे
इति श्री विश्वसारतन्त्रे
दुर्गाष्टोत्तरशतनाम स्तोत्रं समाप्तम्
दुर्गाष्टोत्तरशतनाम स्तोत्रं समाप्तम्.
Om Tat Sat.
Om Tat Sat.
Okay, chant all that. Bhaumavasyani shamagre.
Bhaumavasyani shamagre chandre shatabhisham gate vilikya prapathet stotram sabhavet sampadam padam.
So both the anuswara shatabhishangate stotram sabhavet.
Vilikya prapathet stotram sabhavet.
Stotram is happening, right? Stotram is happening. Yeah. Makara, let it not become. Let it be Makara. Stotram sabhavet.
Okay. Vilikya prapathet stotram sabhavet.
Stro is happening, right? Stro is not there. Stotram.
Vilikya prapathet stotram sabhavet sampadam padam.
Very good.
Iti Shri Vishwasar Tantre Durgashtottara. It's a bit difficult one.
Durgashtottara
Shatanama Stotram Samaptam.
Om Tat Sat.
Om Tat Sat.
Bhaumavasyani shamagre chandre shatabhishangate. So bhishangate, like what we say in Ganga. So Ga is the next alphabet. So previous anuswara will become Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Na. So Ga is coming in Ka Varga. Ka Varga's fifth alphabet is M. So Anuswara will become Shatabhishangate. Bhauma Vasya Nishamagre Chandre Shatabhishangate Dilikhya Prapathet Stotram Sabhavet Sampadam Padam. You can mute yourself. Iti Shri Vishwasara Tantre Durgashtottara Satanama Stotram Samaptam. Om Tat Sat. Okay, so we have still 2 more hands. Manjula ji, you can start from beginning. Say the first 2 verses.
ईश्वर उवाच शतनाम प्रवक्ष्यामि शृणुष्व कमलानने यस्य प्रसादमात्रेण दुर्गा प्रीता भवेत् सती ॐ सती साध्वी भव प्रीता भवा No, I lost the tune, sorry.
Sati Sadhvi Bhava Preeta.
Sati Sadhvi Bhava Preeta Bhavani Bhavamochani Arya Durga Jaya Chadya Trinetra Shulatharini.
Very good. Lakshmi ji, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, so next 2.
मनोबुद्धिरहंकारा
No, Pinakadharini. Pinakadharini.
Oh, sorry. पिनाकधारिणी चित्रात् चण्डघण्टा महातपाः मनोबुद्धिरहंकारा चित्तरूपा चिताचितिः सर्वमन्त्रमयी सत्ता सत्यानन्दस्वरूपिणी अनन्ता भाविनी भाव्या भव्या भव्या सदा गतिः.
Very good. Nandini ji.
शाम्भवी देवमाता च चिन्तारत्नप्रिया सदा सर्वविद्या दक्षकन्या दक्षयज्ञविनाशिनी अपर्णानेकवर्णा च पाटला पाटलावती पट्टाम्बरपरिधाना कलमञ्जीररञ्जनी रञ्जिनी कलमञ्जीररञ्जिनी.
Very good. Others who have not chanted, please raise your hand if you want to volunteer. Go ahead, Sharanya. Next 2.
Can you teach me?
Okay. Aprameya Vikrama Krura Sundari Sura Sundari. I'll do it again, my dear child. I'm sorry. Aprameya Vikrama Krura Sundari Sura Sundari.
Ameya Vikrama Krura Sundari Sura Sundari.
Vana Durga cha Matangi Matanga Muni Pujita.
Vana Durga cha Matangi Matanga Muni Pujita. Ameya Vikrama Kruma Sundari Sura Sundari.
Kruma you said. Krura.
Sorry. Krura Sundari Sura. Ameya Vikrama Krura Sundari Sura Sundari. Vana Durga cha Matangi Matanga Muni Pujita.
Very good. Do the next one. Brahmi Maheshwari Chaindri Kaumari Vaishnavi Tatha.
Brahmi Maheshwari Chaindri Kaumari Vaishnavi Tatha.
Not to say Kaumari. Kau. Au ki matra. Kaumari Vaishnavi Tatha.
Kaumari Vaishnavi Tatha.
Chamunda Chaiva Varahi Lakshmischa Purushakritihi.
Chamunda Chaiva Varahi Lakshmischa Purushakritihi.
Purushakritihi. Say that word. Purushakritihi.
Purushakritihi. Brahmi Maheshwari Chaindri Kaumari Vaishnavi Tatha. Chamunda Chaiva Varahi Lakshmischa Purushakritihi.
Excellent, my dear. Taraji, you have the script with you, Taraji?
I have the script on the computer, but I have to go to that to see it.
Okay. So it's going to be difficult. You won't be able to volunteer to chant. Or it's easy.
Have a go. Where would you like me to start?
Okay, from verse 9, Vimalotkarshini.
Okay. Vimalotkarshini jnana kriya nitya cha buddhida bahuja bahula prema sarva vahana vahana.
So bahula prema, like that you say. Bahula prema.
Bahula prema sarva vahana vahana.
10th one.
Bahula Nishumba. Nishumba Shumbaha Nani Mahesh Asura Mardani Madhu Ke Tababa Hamtri Cha Chamda Mumda Vinasini.
Excellent. Fantastic. Well done. Okay. Leela Kuttiji, next two.
Sarvasura Vinasha cha Sarvadhanava Bhadini.
Again. Ayo, 1 minute. Sarvadanava Ghatini. Sarvasura Vinasha cha, not cha. Okay.
Sarvasura Vinasha cha Sarvadhanava Bhadini. Sarvashastramayi Satya Sarvastratharini. तथा अनेक शस्त्र हस्ता च अनेकास्त्रस्य धारिणी कुमारी चैव कन्या च कैशोरी युवती यतिः.
Very good. Sindhuji. Next two.
अप्रौढा चैव प्रौढा च वृद्धमाता बलप्रदा महोदरी मुक्तकेशी घोररूपा महाबला अग्निज्वाला रौद्रमुखी कालरात्रिस्त्रपस्विनी.
कालरात्रि तपस्विनी.
कालरात्रिस्तपस्विनी नारायणी भद्रकाली विष्णुमाया जलोदरी.
Excellent. Dharini ji, next.
शिवदूती कराली च अनंता परमेश्वरी कात्यायनी च सावित्री प्रत्यक्षा ब्रह्मवादिनी य इदं प्रपठे नित्यं दुर्गा नाम शताष्टकम् नासाध्यो विद्यते देवी त्रिषु लोकेषु पार्वती.
Very good. Lakshmi ji, next.
धनं धान्यं सुतं जायं हयं हस्तिनमेव च चतुर्वर्गं तथा चान्ते लभेन्मुक्तिं च शाश्वतीम्. कुमारीं पूजयित्वा तु ध्यात्वा देवीं सुरेश्वरीं पूजयेत् परया भक्त्या पठेन्नाम शताष्टकम्.
Excellent. Okay, we have 3 hands now. Okay, so 3 hands, 3 verses, no more. Please don't raise hand. So Anita ji do 19, Manjula ji do 20th, and Vidya ji do 21st. Okay, go ahead.
तस्य सिद्धिर्भवेत् देवी सर्वैः सुरवरैरपि राजानो दासतन्यान्ति राजश्रियमवाप्नुयात्.
गोरोचनालक्तककुङ्कुमेन सिन्दूरकर्पूरमधुत्रयेण विलिख्य यन्त्रं विधिना विधिज्ञः भवेत् सदा धारयते पुरारिः.
Only gya sound of Hindi don't bring in Sanskrit. Vidhignaha instead of vidhigyaha.
Okay.
भौमावास्या निशामग्रे चन्द्रे शतभिषाङ्गते विलिख्य प्रपठेत् स्तोत्रं स भवेत् सम्पदां पदम्. इति श्री विश्वसारतन्त्रे इति श्री विश्वसारतन्त्रं तन्त्रे दुर्गाष्टोत्तरशतनामस्तोत्रं समाप्तम्।
Om Tat Sat.
Om Tat Sat.
Excellent. We have done this record 21 verses in one single class and we finished it twice. Wow, it's really Devi's Krupa. Now all the newcomers have got an idea. Next week we are starting with Kavach. We go with the normal format. Normally, Ashtottara is not taught by many and they don't hold it as a part of Durga Saptashati. But what we chanted now is, if you have realized, they are very simple, straightforward verses. And maybe on a Friday, maybe on a Tuesday, we can hold it in our chanting. It doesn't take even 5 minutes to chant. And the benefits, the last, I hope you have seen the Phalashruti are so amazing with her. So to hold her power, to invoke her, if we call her with different names, our sadhana will get powerful because we have to complete this scripture. Not just complete it, it should be beautiful, it should bless us. We should be able to chant it flawlessly with all the pronunciation rules, the Dvitva, Anuswara, Visarga, and whatever needs to be memorized, like Saptashloki Durga, we have to memorize. So whenever it comes to those, we need her Krupa. So please chant at least once a week this Ashtottar. When we do a part, that time we normally don't chant, but in our part we are going to do this. So any doubts in these 21 verses? And
Varshaji, I have 2 doubts.
Yes.
Sorry. Verse 7, is that again a Ditva, Ameya, Vikrama? The curve would come before.
Where it is?
7th verse.
Ameya, we will be a Dvitva, Vikrama.
Yeah, so the curve, extra curve kind.
Yeah, Vikrama.
Okay.
It is not extra curve, but it is like a pressure on the V to get Vikrama. Okay.
And again, same 14, this Pratyaksha Brahma, right?
14. Pratyaksha Brahma is not in 14?
Sorry, 15. Sorry.
Pratyaksha Brahmavadini. Yes, okay. That I was, yeah, correct.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Most welcome. Any more questions? Any more doubts?
Auntie, next Friday I have to post this slokam.
Varsha.
1 minute. Sharanya is talking. Just give a minute, Vidyaji. Yeah. What happened, my dear?
Auntie, we have to post next week this one.
This Friday. So this coming Friday, you have to post the Shatashloki. This one I'll tell you because it will be too much to put on a Friday. That's the first posting, only Shatashloki.
Okay, Auntie.
So this one we will see when we will get a chance to do it. Probably in the following Friday, because we won't finish the Kavacham in one go. Kavacham and all is going to go very slow speed only. 2 volunteers slowly. Newcomers also should volunteer. Not to feel shy. Even it's wrong, let it be. Then only that improvement. So once you come in front of the camera, I can identify your name and your face. Then there is a relationship developed. But if you hide and sit behind, I'll not know you. So please leave your camera on. Let me see y'all. Let me hear y'all chanting so that we develop our relation, our bond in this journey. Otherwise, I will not know who's there, who's not there. So most of the cams are off, hiding. So make sure you leave the camera on. Okay.
Excuse
Yes,
me, Madam.
Vidyaji. Hold on. 1 minute. Yes, Vidyaji, you're first.
Varsha, can you please just chant the 17th verse once for me, please?
Dhanan dhanyam sutanchayam hayam hastinameva cha chaturvargan tatha chante labhen muktin cha shashvati.
The dhanan dhanyam sutai jaya. Sutai, no? Sutai jaya.
Jaya.
Hayam hastinameva cha. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Somebody else was asking now, just before this. Who was that?
Next week we are learning Kavacham, no, Ashaji. After that, are we going to learn Argala Stotram also?
Yes, yes. Everything will follow in that sequence. Kavach, Kila, Kargala, everything will come. Even Tantrokta Sutra, Rakri Sukta, everything is going to happen in all sequence. So nothing is going to miss. If you have not missed Ashtottar, then what are we going to miss? So every small detail will be picked up. Okay, Maniji?
For the English version, which would be the better one? We'll have to just search it from the internet.
Okay, so now what I'll do, I will just check before I'm teaching something before class, and then I will post it. Okay. I'm so sorry that it's my miss, so it's a lapse on my end. I'm very sorry about that. Okay, and who else want to ask?
Varshaji?
Ji.
Madam, where should we put the recording, our audio recording, what that we do? We should put it on the WhatsApp group?
Yes, on Friday, I posted all the messages over there. If you read all the messages, you will get clear instructions over there. When the group opens, when the group closes, what we have to post, everything, all detail is there on the WhatsApp.
Thank you, ma'am.
Any more questions? Yes, yes, Leelama.
It is Sudanya, no? Is it Sudanyanam or Sudaignanam?
Which verse, ma?
17.
Sutanjanya. Chakara's varga. Janya. Sutanjaya.
Correct. Sudanjaya.
Taraji, your question.
Well, I just wanted to say that the link that Dharini ji posted has got the long vowels and the S's marked properly, but the link that I had previously didn't have any of that. So there are obviously several to make
versions. Yes. So what I'm going to do is I'll do my homework properly. What I'm going to teach in the following class, I'll keep posting the link for it. One with the Hindi, there is no problem because it's Gita Press. There won't be anything. One with the English, we will have to check and we will put, which I'll do from time to time from now onwards before every class.
Okay, thank you.
Most
You're going
welcome.
to post audio, right?
Yes, I'm going to post the audio. I'm going to post the video also. So, but this won't be there for this Friday. For Friday, we have only Saptashloki.
Okay, but I'll take a printout of the version that Dharini sent. So
yes, yeah. Okay. Anybody else wants to ask any more questions? All done? Okay, so we are good to end the session. Thank you. Keep your spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it there. Oh. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Shri Devyarpanamastu. Hari Om, everyone. See you all next week.
Thank you, Varshaji.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Varshaji.
Thank you.
Hari Om.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you.
Thank you, Varshaji. Hari Om.
Thank you, Ji. Hari Om, Radhika Ji.
Hari Om, teacher.
Hari Om, my dear child. Hari Om. Hari Om.
Thank you,
Hari
Varshaji.
Om. Thank you. Thank you.
Hari Om, Varshaji. Thank you.
Thank you. Hari Om.
Hari Om, teacher.
Oh, Hari Om. Just a friend. Looking awesome with your earrings and your bindi. Bharaji. I'm ending the session.